Okay, when you are ready to start a new project on the new iMovie iOS version 7, you go ahead and click on the plus button up in the right hand corner. You can choose to create a movie or a trailer, and we're going to today create a movie. The first thing it gives you is an option to choose the theme. So if you can scroll through and find which theme might work for you, we'll choose the travel theme today, and then on the right you click Create Movie. First thing you need to do is upload some of your content. So if you go under video or photos, it'll pull from your photo library what's in your camera roll. So we're just going to upload a couple of cute pictures of Christopher, and by just clicking on them, they will upload and drop into the timeline on the bottom. So we'll enter in a few of those a few of those photos. And we'll start there. You can toggle on the bottom just by sliding your finger across and swiping through the photos. If you'd like to change the length of how long the photo is shown in your iMovie, you just click on it. You'll get this yellow bar surrounding it, and you can shrink by pinching your fingers together. So now it's shown that photo is just a little bit shorter than the other ones. Up at the top, it gives you the option to choose what position you would like your Ken Burns effect to begin in. So you can pinch for the start, and then you can also pinch where you would like it to be at the end. And that will automatically change in your play. So if I'm finished, if I just had photos, I can play my movie and it will show my photos going through. You can always hit play to check out what it looks like in the moment. Let's pause that because we have more to do. If I'd like to add a video, I took a very exciting video of my office earlier today. And if I'd like to add that, I can do the same thing and drop it in, or I can do picture-in-picture or a couple of other options, which I'll show you a bit later. So let's just drop that video in. It will insert in the middle of wherever my playhead was, which is that white bar. So this dropped between my first photo and my second photo. Again, with the video clip, you can choose how long or short you would like the clip to show by squeezing it and pinching with your fingers, clicking on it and pinching with your fingers. At the bottom, you also have a couple of options for editing the speed, which is a new feature in this version of iMovie. So if I click on speed at the bottom, it gives you a nice icon of a turtle and a rabbit. And if I want to slow down that video, which is good if you're doing a video of children at play or some other activity where people might be running or moving quickly. When I'm finished with that, you can see that it slows down quite a bit. I can also split my clip in half, or I can add a title in to the beginning of any clip I would like. And I can do it in the opening, the middle, or the closing. I can also go into my settings option and add some music. So if I want to, I can just turn on the theme music that went with the theme that I chose at the beginning. I can also choose to fade in from black and fade out to black at the beginning and end of my movie. So let's go back to the beginning and click play and see what happens. Okay, so now we have the basics of a video in iMovie.